Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Trends Today. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic hypercars ever created, the McLaren P1. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and performance. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this legendary machine. The McLaren P1 was first unveiled at the 2012 Paris Motor Show, and it quickly became a symbol of automotive excellence. It was designed to be a road-legal car that could deliver the thrill of a Formula One experience. Only 375 units were ever produced, making it an exclusive gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the P1 is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 903 horsepower and 664 pounds-feet of torque. This hybrid system allows the P1 to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed of 217 miles per hour. But what's even more impressive is its instant torque delivery, thanks to the electric motor, which gives it lightning-fast acceleration. The P1 isn't just about raw power, it's also a marvel of aerodynamics. Its sleek, futuristic design isn't just for show, it's functional. The car features an active rear wing, air brakes, and a Formula One-inspired drag reduction system, DRS, that adjusts the aerodynamics to maximize speed or downforce depending on the driving conditions. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps the weight down to just 3,075 pounds, making it incredibly agile and responsive. Inside, the McLaren P1 is a blend of luxury and performance. The cabin is minimalist yet sophisticated, with carbon fiber accents, Alcantara upholstery, and a driver-focused layout. Every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience, from the lightweight racing seats to the digital instrument cluster that keeps you informed about the car's performance. One of the most fascinating aspects of the P1 is its hybrid technology. The electric motor isn't just there for performance, it also allows the car to drive in pure electric mode for up to 6.8 miles, making it surprisingly eco-friendly for a hypercar. The battery can be charged in just 2 hours using a standard outlet, or you can let the engine recharge it while driving. The McLaren P1 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents the pinnacle of what's possible when you combine cutting-edge technology with relentless innovation. Whether you're a fan of its jaw-dropping design, its mind-blowing performance, or its groundbreaking hybrid system, there's no denying that the P1 is a true icon in the world of hypercars. That's it for today's episode of Auto Trends Today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the McLaren P1, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which car you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, keep chasing those automotive dreams.